Hi all, I hope you're doing well. Today's going to be a video on Angel Share. There we go. We're in focus now by Kilian, and this one's been hyped up for a long time now, but I just thought I'd buy it after the hype just died down because I just find hype just to be so distracting. It really does blur your judgment and you don't really know what you're buying into. Then you buy it, and then here in the UK we can't really return perfumes. So yeah, unless you have a reason to do so. It really depends on terms and conditions of the shop, etc. But usually we are not allowed to return perfumes. So yes, this is the oh so beautiful Angel Share. Oh my goodness, sorry. That's a little smudge there, but ignore that. But do you see the detailing on this one? It is such a beautiful bottle. Honestly, my favorite looking bottle already from the bunch. I've just got this and it's just been oh, it's so wonderful. I cannot say enough good things about this. Sorry, I'm very tongue-tied. I'm absolutely exhausted, but it's okay. I need to make this video. Here I am. So yeah, this has got like rum, cinnamony, spicy type of notes, and it's more gourmandish leaning. Therefore, I think it smells a little more feminine. Well, at least I would consider it a little more feminine leaning. It does smell absolutely incredible. I think anyone can rock this, but again, more feminine leaning for me. Tell me what you think actually. Do you think it's just purely unisex, doesn't smell feminine or masculine leaning? I'm curious to know. But yeah, there is something I think smells very, very similar to Angel Share. And I'll be posting another video about that. If not done so already, then yeah, it should be up or it's going to be coming up. Oh, sorry, yes. So this perfume is absolutely gorgeous. Longevity is there, it's strong, it stays. I'm not sure if this is an extrait. No, it's an eau-de-parfum, or parfum, sorry. And yeah, it's just a very similar perfume to ones already on the market. So it's not 100% special, but it also smells luxurious. This one has like a lot of that like luxurious type of base to it. It's hard to explain. I guess it's like the blendability of the perfume, how all the notes just blend so beautifully, the bottle, the whole experience. I think if I was to decant this one, I would still fall in love with it, which says a lot because, you know, taking away the bottle and just everything about this perfume and just smelling it straight from the decant and not knowing which perfume it is, I think I'd still fall in love with this one. So yeah, this one, it just kind of over time, it smells more gourmand, but it actually smells like such a strong licorice note in here, and I'm usually not a big fan of licorice, but I don't mind the licorice in Coco Chanel, and this has the same, I think, type of licorice compared to Coco Chanel, so it does have that, but it's not as intense, but it stands out for sure. So if you don't like licorice, I think test this one out before you buy it. Don't know why I smell it. I'm very sensitive to licorice. I just think it's such a strong note that, you know, even with a tiny little drop, I can still smell it from a mile away. So yes, this is such a great one. This is just a quick review. I know other people have had their reviews and like expand a lot more about this perfume, but I think, you know, having heard their reviews as well, I'm not biased, but you know, I think it's actually a decent one. I don't lie in my reviews. I don't find reason to, you know, people, it's your money end of the day, you know, you go ahead and buy it. You may be influenced by other people's opinions. But again, when it comes to hype, you know, pay attention to the fact that you earn that money and you're spending your hard-earned cash on these things according to someone's recommendation that they may be sponsored for. So be very careful and yeah, be very wary. Life lessons, I guess, in this video. So yes, this is such a great one for me. I'm glad I picked it up now compared to back then when there was a lot of hype around this. But yeah, absolutely love.